Yo, killer.
Why you call me name for boy? What you want now?
You remember when I tell you say yo made it busy I do some high setup and thing?
Yes, what about it? Remember when you tell me some little idiot thing about you do heist. You turn thief.
Well, today are the day we are gonna do the heist itself.
What? How much money in there?
And enough money.
The general want money too. Youth.
But dog, are we do the setup? Which part you did there?
Me no care.
Brother, we are do this dog. You're not getting none out of it.
Hey boy, me want money too.
Acha.
Me no care what you have to say. Me want money in my clothes.
But me not have money in my clothes neither, dog.
Hey youth. Me tell you from where you no call me no dog.
Alright, sorry. Me not have no money in my clothes neither.
You not have no manners. The general gonna left you standing right there.
Yo, alright. Go on, man. You go on. You're good.
Do anything you want to. Cause the general had do this heist wherever you take it.
Everything good, man. Everything good, brother. No sorry.
Who me I do it with?
I'm here for you, boss. 100.
Here, me no want you there for me, Lily. Go one side. Clear out. Before me hammer you. You know me. Wagwan people. How no day going? Hopes everything good. Yo, today, me I do a heist with one boy. Because me the one day in there so I talk about we. Like him one people. Me don't know who him I talk to. People, who no not go get no shout out today. Cause the last video not too long go up. So who no not go hear it shouting out. Furthermore, the killer not do shout out. Clear out! Cross, hungry. Today, I who me I work with. Who up on the line? What your name, youth?
Agseed.
What?
Agseed.
Who ya call Agseed, boy? You brighting youth? How me I deal with so? Where you say youth? Where you say your name, youth?
Agseed, my youth.
You have to go change the name there before you start power with the general youth.
Yeah,
And
change
me
it.
you want. Hey boy, how you want the general thing, youth? Hey
Why?
boy, me no want see you no youth. Hey boy, better you go one side. Boy, Hagsy. General Levin he'd poke youth. How are you do, boy? Hey boy, why them call you Hagseed?
I was there back, man. I'm here, man.
You have to go change your name there to Hagmouth. Stay up front, youth. Hey boy, me not par with you. Me just want a little money, and then we good. We no good, but we good.
Hey, look, you say me not put the RPG on your name, you know.
RPG, hey boy, RPG woman. Hey boy. Me a the general in
Because
a
this
youth.
piece of deal with Beanie, man. You try to come over here so come style, man.
Put some respect on the general name Hagsnout. I want to your Hagmouth.
Get out of here.
Come
Youth.
on, man. Come over here, so where there, man?
No bother with it. Hey boy.
Yeah, who are
General
really general
Crush.
down here, so, you know.
Youth.
Watch out. Where there?
Hey boy. Hey girl. No ramp with the general thing, you know, girl. Hey girl, you want M16 I'm out? One way you go.
She wasn't ready.
Idiot. Take a gunshot. Jump in a car, boy. No go on a back. What?
Against woman violence, you know.
Hey boy, tapping that general do anything him feel like. Boy, your name Hagseed.
Watch out.
You
Watch out. Oi.
lift out. Clear out. Boy.
Hey, how much we make?
How much money who I make? Me no know, you have to go ask your friend where you do set up with. Me no know. Me no know nothing about this. Me just take a mission. Me just hijack it. Him say hi, so I show him say the general can do it. Youth, you see it? No ask me no idiot question.
Oh, you know how your mission go then?
Me no know. Blind, I lead the general.
I'm sorry. It's that funny, right? I mean, what?
Money have to make money, I go make, and you not get none.
What?
You deaf? The general stammer?
What you mean me not get no money?
Hey boy, you never put in enough work like the general in a boy. You put in work?
You put in work?
No.
So you talk about me put in work. Watch out, yeah!
Yo, I who put that something in that way, man.
Who give you a car license?
Hey boy, no ask me no idiot question. Me I drive long before you're born, hags note. Me watch your mouth.
See, man, get it right now, man. I'm tell you.
Hey boy, hags note, watch your mouth. Youth.
Watch your mouth for me slap it with the RPG.
No boy can slap it, general.
You know?
No boy can slap general, no time. Youth, no rum with me. Me and no fishini. Hey boy, how you do youth?
Jujutsu for clip here. Watch out, watch out. Yeah. What? Watch it now.
You alright?
Watch it, man.
You take your pill from morning?
Yeah, alright, man.
Walk a front, youth. Don't walk a back. Boy, hag seed.
Ask me name. I was there back. Move fast.
Youth, me don't like your style. Yo, me run go and left you.
Try to make some money and go my yard, you know.
You have yard fi go to.
Hey, man. Even this a bunk kind of fear, you know.
Me no pigeons, me I take it over. The general no clear. Big screen TV. Watch there. How what them a show panty? How for face that? Hey boy, ya woman. Youth, you know said the general fi take the whole 85% and not give you none but 15.
You see me go slap you with the RPG.
You can't me tell about the
equal,
slapping.
you know, man.
Equal with youth? You and the general could never be equal with that the name the way you have, boy. Youth, sort out your name, me tell you about that name thing there. The general I go give you 50. The general rate you, cause you love chat. So the general I go give you 50.
Realistically, you should get 50, you know.
Hey boy, man, me take everything from you. How you are this boy if you get 15? Hey boy, mind yourself. Ready up before general change mind. Boy.
Ready.
Yo, the general no. Hey, what can I eat that to? The general I go take that one day. Me no want just like you, youth. Me no want just like you, no time.
Where you put on your mask?
The general no ugly. Yo, press the button and go upstairs, man. General ready. What is something over your mouth, youth? How you promote, boy?
Coronavirus, man, stay protected, man. Move right.
Stay protected. Youth, you can't protect again. Hey boy, how far carry you coming?
Roll out.
Youth, the general a drive. Happy nice. Cross. Hungry. The general kinda nervous about them driving. Yes.
Oh, come on, no, man.
The
On
general
the road. Watch the dust coming like here. Watch out.
The general never nervous, youth. The general.
What kind of driving this?
The general a park up. Make we mass up and walk up. You knock up, hey boy.
Duck and road.
Duck, hey, what you tell the general for duck, youth? General they pan no ducking thing, youth.
Boss boy head now. I'm gonna play around with them. Money.
General have bullets through with, hey, with them there. Show no self.
Them over here, sir.
Where? Me can't see nobody. Hold up. Ha! Mind you kill the general, boy.
Deal with it.
Duck, roll, shoot. Him not dead.
Stop it.
Loot. Youth.
Wait,
Camera. CCTV. Yo. The general in a elevator. Come down.
Yo, what up? You
stairs.
go.
Hey boy, how you talk to youth? You don't have body too. I ask general if general poop. Hey, that's why I don't like nobody in my name.
Watch out.
Man a general youth. Ah, who dead? Me a play smart youth. Me a shoot them to them heart youth. Who am to you, man? Smart, me smart. You deaf? The general smart. Hold them gun. Hey boy, no get up, sit down. Boy, no dead enough. Oh, you hard for dead, some man? Hold, hey, youth. Yo. RP what? G. Alright, axe note. Me know what he's all about. Once somebody else I shoot, where him there? Youth! How where you at, man? Hey boy, you know who you are ramped with?
One more people killer. Who next?
Downstairs, you have to go, boy. Who next way? Come downstairs, youth.
Alright, I come.
You don't know the shrips.
Jump down.
Hold that, boy. Shoot him in the kisser.
You there now? Give me some more bullet.
Hold on. Have I go on, yes, sir? Where your RPG there, boy?
Oh man, no, a close proximity this enough. We can't do it now.
You can't go and chat. Pros
One next one,
Prosperity.
watch out.
What the hell did you just say?
Hold on,
Pros Prosqua. Where you say pros? Where you call it?
close proximity.
Close proximity. Close proximity. Whatever you want, say me no business.
Go on, me come down.
Yeah, come down.
Yeah, come back.
See me save your life, boy. Your life no value nothing. You come to give you 3 pints. Boy, youth. Mind yourself with the eye, boy. Mind what you do.
Hold up.
Cross. Hungry.
Hold up.
Mr. Rebel.
No. Who next? Oh, shit.
Hold on, youth. Mind what you do. Wait. The general I get shoot.
You get popped. Who next?
Mind you shoot the general, youth. See it, yeah? Me find it. Youth. With there. Pentagon camera. General, them give general big turret. Youth. Them better worry.
Watch out.
Gunshot. Don't shot. You know, most youth. Take out everything.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Youth. Watch it. Watch it, Chopper. Harry Potter. How are you, man? Where are you, sir? Say hello to my little friend. Hold that. Burn that. Scone that. Run that. Bye, Mr. American Pie. Hey, boy. Why no one stand up? Dead him dead like him. When nah use. Them more than dead. Them beg. Youth. Kick. Hey, what you doing here? Who you?
Everything's fine. I know these people. Oh, I'm supposed to be at a potluck.
Who were they? What the hell is going on?
These nice people saved us. Yeah, we don't know each other, by the way, me and them. If you think you know me, you don't. Who do you work for?
Can I get this place on lockdown right now? Come on, you imbeciles. No, there is no potluck. I don't give a shit about your banana cream pudding.
Maybe next time you'll listen to me.
What's this cretin doing here?
Saving your life once again, but for the covert operation I financed, you'd all be dead and the country would be in the hands of, well, who exactly? That's the problem. This place has more leaks than a thing you dry salad in. But who and why? Can I log on to Clifford here?
Sure.
It's Russians. We know it's Russians. This attack is one of their signature moves.
That's the whole point, Mrs. Rackman. It's meant to look like Russians. We think it's not Russians because that would be too easy. Now, Clifford says that there's a 99% probability it is some Russians.
Not Iran?
Iran, no. Clifford says it's this man. Codename Bogdan, surname unknown. Russian agitator, hitman, and warmongerer.
I'm not buying any of it.
Well, someone just tried to kill you, and the data footprint tracks back to him. Look at the graphics.
Okay.
Can we get some people on this right away? Where's that buffoon?
Which buffoon?
The one who caused the assault by the museum. Can I get some support here?
Let's get out of here. Thank you. by both of you. A congressional medal, big party at the Capitol. It's been an honor to serve.
Oh, go fuck yourself. No, not you.
Clowns, public sector clowns. The crowd, hell, the cleaners could solve this problem. With Clifford, there is no problem now. Thank you very much. I'll be in touch. Thankless, work this. Where's my assistant? I'm supposed to be giving a speech somewhere.
Look at that, people. Mission pass, I'ma come first. One hack seat come last.
Hey, love Lysa, man.
How would them a give them little bit of money there? Them need to... Hey, how would them a get that? General risk life with that. Youth. Me tell you about them boy you when have no sense. I can't make the general go out for changing that mash. Less than me no want call you right now. Hey, girl tappinize me and no leader. Right now, me hungry.
So you feel, killer?
Cross. Why you laugh at, boy?
You can't stop me from laughing.
You forget a kick in your teeth. Hey, boy. I me even want to deal with you right now. Stay the laugh.
Yeah, man, you're too enough. You're a little bit too enough.
Stop it nice. Me no want to chat to you neither. Go on where you go. Watch some TV and have a drink.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you for watching the video. I don't know what I'm doing in the people them thing, but thank you for watching. Make sure you say a like. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And also subscribe around here if you're new. In the next episode, we are gonna do the shout outs for the last episode, which was the ramp buggy episode when we asked the wriggle. So we are gonna do a shout out another one there. Plus we are gonna also leave a next wriggle another one there. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Right now, killer mad. So peace.